The Perodua Alza 2024 stands as one of Malaysia's proudest automotive creations, combining modern design, advanced safety, and family practicality into one perfectly balanced vehicle. As a 7-seater MPV designed for everyday Malaysians, the Alza reflects the nation's unique blend of culture, innovation, and ambition. Built by Perodua, Malaysia's trusted carmaker, the 2024 model represents not just an upgrade, but a reimagining of what a family car can be. From sleek styling to cutting-edge technology, the Alza 2024 carries the heart of Malaysia in every curve, every light, and every drive. From the front view, the Perodua Alza 2024 showcases a confident and futuristic look. The wide chrome grille with Perodua's iconic logo at the center immediately draws attention. The sharp LED headlights and daytime running lights give the car a modern, expressive face that stands out on busy Malaysian roads. The sculpted bumper with integrated fog lamps adds a sporty and aerodynamic touch, reducing drag while improving performance. The hood lines flow smoothly towards the windshield, emphasizing motion and power even when the car is standing still. This is not just a practical MPV, it's a stylish vehicle that proudly reflects modern Malaysian design thinking. Moving to the side profile, the Alza's design becomes even more dynamic. The smooth body contours, slightly raised stance, and floating roofline create a sense of elegance and movement. The chrome window lines blend beautifully with the dark tinted glass, giving it a premium, almost SUV-like appearance. The 15-inch dual-tone alloy wheels add a sporty character, while the aerodynamic mirrors with built-in turn indicators show Perodua's attention to detail. Every design decision feels purposeful, balancing beauty, aerodynamics, and everyday practicality. At the rear side, the 2024 Alza continues to impress with its LED combination tail lamps that stretch across the width of the vehicle, giving it a broader and more stable look. The black rear spoiler and roof-mounted stop lamp add a touch of sportiness, while the clean tailgate design with the Alza emblem creates a strong identity. The bumper integrates reflectors and a silver skid plate style finish, merging safety with aesthetics. Whether viewed during the day or illuminated at night, the Alza's rear design exudes confidence and modern flair. Inside, the interior design is where the Alza truly shines. The moment you open the door, you are welcomed into a cabin built around comfort, space, and technology. The dashboard layout is ergonomic and uncluttered, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. The steering wheel has mounted controls for audio, phone, and cruise settings, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. The dual-tone color scheme and silver accents give the interior a contemporary look, while the premium fabric or leather seats, depending on variant, ensure lasting comfort. As a 7-seater, the Perodua Alza 2024 provides exceptional flexibility. The second-row seats slide and recline, allowing easy access to the third row. Both the second and third rows can be folded flat, creating a large, versatile cargo space for luggage, groceries, or travel gear, perfect for Malaysian family trips to Genting, Langkawi, or Penang. The spacious cabin, combined with efficient air conditioning vents across all rows, ensures that every passenger stays cool and comfortable, even under Malaysia's tropical heat. Under the hood, the engine performance of the Alza 2024 strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. It is powered by a 1.5-liter dual VVTi engine that produces smooth and consistent performance. Mated to a CVT, continuous variable transmission, it delivers seamless acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and lower emissions, ideal for both city driving and long highway journeys. The ride is quiet, refined, and comfortable, thanks to the improved suspension setup and Perodua's careful noise insulation engineering. The Alza feels planted on the road, even at higher speeds, giving drivers a sense of confidence and control. One of the Alza's strongest qualities is its safety technology. Equipped with Perodua's Advanced Safety Assist ASA 3.0, the car includes a suite of active safety features such as pre-collision braking, pedal misoperation control, lane departure warning, and front departure alert. These systems help prevent accidents and reduce the impact of potential collisions. The car also includes 6 airbags, anti-lock braking system (ABS) with electronic brake force distribution (EBD), vehicle stability control (VSC), hill start assist, and ISOFIX anchor points for child seats. Together, these systems make the Alza one of the safest and most family-friendly vehicles in Malaysia today. Beyond performance and safety, the technology and comfort of the Alza make it stand out in its class. Features like push-start ignition, keyless entry, reverse camera, and automatic headlamps are all included in the higher variants. The infotainment system supports Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, allowing seamless connectivity on every journey. The instrument cluster displays vital information clearly, and the digital climate control maintains ideal cabin temperature automatically. For entertainment, The Alza's sound system delivers crisp, clear audio, perfect for family road trips or late-night drives. From the top view, the Alza's design shows a well-proportioned body with a sleek roofline and subtle curves that improve aerodynamics. The panoramic glass roof, available in select versions, brings natural light into the cabin, enhancing comfort and spaciousness. Roof rails add utility for carrying extra luggage, camping gear, or bicycles, supporting active Malaysian lifestyles. When it comes to real-world practicality, the Perodua Alza 2024 continues to dominate. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through tight Kuala Lumpur streets and crowded parking lots, while its high ground clearance and stable suspension handle rougher rural roads with ease. The electric power steering is light and responsive, making it perfect for both new and experienced drivers. In terms of price and value, the Perodua Alza 2024 remains unbeatable. With variants ranging from approximately $62,500 to $75,500, it offers exceptional value for money. Every version delivers the same DNA of safety, reliability, and comfort that has made Perodua Malaysia's top-selling brand for years. Moreover, the Alza's low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and wide service network make it an easy choice for Malaysian families. What truly makes the Alza special, however, is its connection to Malaysian culture. It's not just a car, it's a reflection of how Malaysians live, travel, and connect with one another. Whether it's a school run in the morning, a road trip to the East Coast, or a family gathering on weekends, the Alza fits perfectly into every scenario.